It's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, adaptive suspension, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MBLynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,